Everyone, today I want to show you how to remove video background without green screen in CapCut for Windows PC. First, open CapCut and add the video you want to remove the background from to the timeline. Once your video is in the timeline, double-click on it. This will open the new format window. In the new format window, click on Cutout. This will open the AutoCap window. Click on AutoCap to start the video removal process. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the video removal process is complete, the background of your video will be removed. You can now use your video anywhere you want. For example, if you add another video to the timeline below your first video will appear on top of the second video. You can then adjust the position of the first video as needed.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.